Dear traders, in this video I'm going to explain about a new indicator for EMA that is far better than the classical EMA that we were using in the previous videos or previously that we were using. So I will be explaining you that how this indicator will be used to give you more accurate signals by filtering out all false or the weak signals or the late signals that we were getting by using the classical EMA. So I will be telling you that how to use this indicator for taking the signal accurately and on the right time to enter into the market for buy or the sell. Okay, this strategy can not only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market, and here I will be telling you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with XNES, they will give you 5 options of accounts, among which there are 2 standard accounts, standard and standard cent, and 3 professional accounts. They are raw, spread, zero and pro accounts. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus, they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you're interested to open your account with XNES, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have opened gold chart with 5 minutes time frame. You can choose 3 minutes to 30 minutes time frame, but I have chosen 5 minutes time frame here as it works its best at 5 minutes time frame for me. Okay, the indicator that we are going to use here is the EMA, exponential moving average, as I want to tell you that how does it work. Okay, if this is the exponential moving average, so all of you know very well that why do we use this exponential moving average, especially for taking that when to enter into the market according to the market pattern and when to exit from the market according to the market pattern or market trend. As we can see here, for example, here the EMA is showing us the down position, so we will consider that this will be a bearish pattern, and from here it is going up, so we will consider it as a bullish pattern. In the same way, if we go at the end of the market, for example, here its position is showing that it is downwards, so we will consider it that this will be a downward or the bearish pattern. Okay, but afterwards we have to find out that when to enter into the market for the buy or the sell signal. Obviously we need to get a signal that will show us before time that now this is pattern going to be a bullish or the bearish. So now I will be adding another indicator that will be telling you or showing you that how to enter into the market by using this signal indicator. You can say it that on time or before time. Okay, that's name is Zero Lag EMA V2 by Kaivenik, and this is by Kevan Osbeljic. 1827 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now I will be changing its color so that you will be able to see it very clearly. For example, if I changed its color into yellow and making it thick, so click OK here, and now I will be just want to tell you that what is the comparison between the EMA and this Zero Lag EMA. So here, as you can see from here, that now this is the position of the market that is shown by Zero EMA, but this was the position that was shown by the simple or exponential moving average. Here I want to show you that, for example, if our moving average was going here or it was gone here down, so we have to see that if our market has gone below to this EMA, then we are able to enter into the market for the sell trend. Okay, according to this, again, for example, if we see that if our market is above this EMA, then we are ready to enter into the market for the buy signal. But by looking towards this EMA, you can see that from here also you can see that the market is almost on the EMA. So it means that we are not confirmed that we can enter into the market for the sell or not. But by looking towards this Zero Lag EMA, we are sure that we can go or enter into the market for the sell signal. Conversely, if we see here, we will see that our market has gone above from this candle from here for the exponential moving average, but for zero lag EMA it has gone almost from here. It means we have got the most accurate signals by using zero lag EMA. So I will be deleting or removing this indicator, and now I will go into the indicator section and I will add 2 more zero lag EMA indicators from here. Okay, now I will tell you that how to change the setting of these EMAs. I will change its color from blue to red, and I will increase its thickness as well, and I will increase the inputs from second. For second it is 40. For first I will be changing here, and that will be 0. For zero color it is 20, right? And for third one I will be changing its input from 30 to 60, and I will change its color from blue to green, for example this green. Okay, that's all, and I will change its thickness also. Okay, so now this level is set for us. I want to tell you that whenever we will be in the upward trend, our yellow color EMA will be up, then in the center there will be red color, and at the last it will be a green color EMA. In the same way, when we will be in the downward trend or in the bearish trend, our yellow color EMA will be below, the center one will be red, and the top one will be green color EMA. Okay, when to enter into the market and when to exit for buy or sell. Always remember, whenever we get these green candles that are formed above this yellow color line, it means we are ready to enter into the market. So from here we will be considering that this is an uptrend and we are ready to enter into the market for the buy signal. And from here till here it has given us the maximum profit in 5 minutes time frame. If we will see the other side, that if we have entered into the market for the sell signal, then we have to see first of all that our yellow color EMA should be on the top. So we have to see that our first EMA, first candle, red color candle has formed on the red color line or above this, then we have to enter into the market. And you can see that it has given us the profit till here, and even then till here it is a downward trend, right? So you can take the profit by looking towards the EMAs and change their colors according to their length of EMA, and then you can take the entry into the market with the confidence that now this is the pattern of bullish or bearish, right? You will not be able to trade in this way when the market is in the ranging level, but the favorite time to enter into the market is when all three EMAs are separated from each other, as you can see here. So when to enter into the market, from here you can see that here the yellow color EMA is down, the green color one is at the top. It means this is the sell trend. So when two candles will be formed below this yellow color EMAs, you can enter into the market for the sell signal. From here till here it was totally bearish signal, and then for some time it went up, but afterwards again it was a bearish trend, and totally till here we have taken the profit in 5 minutes time frame. I hope this strategy is clear to you all, and I hope you are clear about this, that what is the difference between simple or exponential EMA and a zero lag EMA, and how it is useful, how this indicator can be used to enter into the market for the buy or the sell signal. So if you like this strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video, and do use it for your own trading as well. Thank you for watching.